Want to know how to monitor your audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step plan on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application and now make sure your playback preferences is all good. So for that, just simply select edit and hit towards preferences right here. You can also select Ctrl+P. Now, once your preferences window open up, here you should be seeing audio settings. Now, once you select audio settings, here you should be seeing recording. So make sure your actual microphone is selected and then select OK. And now you should be good to go. And now once that is done, here you should be seeing this big red button right here. This is the recording button. So you can either select R or Ctrl+R as well, your choice. Now, once that is done, your audio recording should be started, and as you can see right here, your monitoring or your audio recording has begun. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.